count it and the foul.
In the first 4 games.
George on the pull-up, nails a three. Paul George answers. Shooters in the game, 93% in the series. George connects again. Paul George from downtown.
They have such size on the floor. Torrey Craig, who didn't play last game, playing tonight as...
First 2 games he's played is 7 of 14 here tonight. George drives past Craig, goes inside, lays it up and in.
And Torrey Craig's really getting up into him.
George drives, stops, leans in, bank shot is good. Paul George with 35. Brings it back out. George over Bridges. Another. Paul George, and this is the largest lead.